YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your broken RV vent for either your galley or your bathroom or above inside of your V-bunk area. And I'm going to show you the steps how to do it, the tools you need. Thanks for watching. This is Chasing Profits.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Okay, so basically all you need is just your replacement vent. I put a link in the bottom. I'm also an affiliate. Please click on the link and purchase it from me in the description below in this video. And pretty much all you need is a power drill with about a 4-inch to 6-inch extension, because you got to take out a screen. So let's get right to work. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out this screw here in this handle. You're going to take that out. Make sure you don't drop it like I did. Take out your handle, which is right here. Set that to the side. What you're going to do is you're going to want to take out these 4 screws. Sorry about the lighting. It'll get better here in a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take those out. Alright, now that's going to drop your whole insert, which is right here. Okay, you might want to place that to the side where it's not going to get a whole bunch of mess. And now what you're left with is your screen. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the screen. And there's a screw right here in the middle. Oop, dropped that one, but I got it. And also over here on the side, right up here. When you have both of those taken out, we're going to put your screws in a safe spot. Alright, so now our screen is loose, and we can, the next thing we need to do is, there's a little switch here for the fan. Unscrew that right here. And that will also fall, and then your screen will drop down. Hopefully not like me, but there's our screen. Everything's out. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. So now we'll get on the roof. We'll remove, before we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this. So take your handle right here and put it back in and extend this up. Extend that up. Take out your handle, then remove both of these screws here. There's one. And there's the other. Now, this piece can come off, and it just slides off. And you're going to need this later, so hold on to that. What we're going to do now is we're going to go up top. On top of the RV, what we're going to do is, basically this is that piece that I was just telling you about. And all you're going to do is take that up and slide it right out, just like that. That's pretty much it. Now you're going to take your new vent out of the package. Now with your vent out of the package, what you're going to do is you're going to slide it right here in this groove. It slides right in. And that's that. And you take your vent and you close it, go back downstairs, and we'll rehook everything up. Back inside with the vent closed, and we have our retracting piece here. And we're going to put up, see if we can get this. Alright, so I slid it in there, in that little hole there, see that? So it goes in through here, and then in through that little hole right there. And then you're going to want to slide that up. As if it were extended all the way. And then you got to screw that in. So I'm going to get my screw and screw that in. It's going to be hard for me to hold the camera and do it at the same time, but I'll try my best. With the vent installed, we are going to take our screen. I cleaned it all out, made it look real nice here. And we are going to install it into place. And again, I'm going to have to put the camera down, but it's in place now, and I'm going to screw those screws into the sides that I unscrewed earlier. So we're going to screw those in now, and it's upside down, so let me fix that. That's a lot better. So we're going to screw those screws in now, and we'll come back and put the next piece in. Now our screen is installed with our 2 screws right there and right there. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take our trim ring and we are going to install it. So we gotta put that up right. Now the longer piece goes to the inside of the, sorry about the camera angle, longer piece goes to the inside, the smaller piece goes to the outside. So we'll get this into place and I'll screw it in. Again, I'm trying to hold the camera and do it at the same time. So that's in place, let's screw that in and then we'll be done. Trim ring is installed, it's looking great. Now, final touch, put the handle on, put the screw in, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and please share. Take care.